Alrighty, let's continue getting the starter in. So, get this long bolt up in there. Let me see. Okay. It's just going to get it started, and then I'll put the other one in. Okay, let me get the bottom one on. Let me see how I'm going to do this. Okay, so I got them both started. Alrighty, let's get it. Oh no, yeah, that's 17. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go shorter. Okay.
I love CRVs.
Oh yeah.
Easiest to work on.
Yeah,
cheap
absolutely.
Parts.
Alrighty. Let's continue progress. Ain't nothing like having a brand new starter. It's going right in, so I'm gonna, once I get it flush, I'll start the top one. Okay. Okay, that's in. Let me get the top one, the 14 millimeter. So that's a 17 millimeter. See it? 17. Yep, 17 millimeter. All right. Moving right along. Let's see. Let me see if I could potentially just screw this. I've got a small 14. Here we go. I'm gonna have to do this slowly till it starts to get in. Then once it gets in, I can attach my longer 14. Starter wasn't too bad putting in. It's pretty easy actually. It's going slow, but hey, it's going in. Boy, that's such a long bolt on top. It's crazy. It's very long. Yeah, you gotta watch that knock sensor. So, that wire's pretty strong though. I found that out. I'm not on it at all, but yeah, I found that out. Let me see. Put the right hand a little bit stronger. Okay, that's in there, so let me tighten it up. Okay. Get that 14 in there. Let's see. There we go. Okay, it's in there. I'm not going to, I'm gonna tighten it, but not as tight as it was. That's cool. All right, it's in there. I'm gonna make sure my, let me disconnect. Make sure my 17 millimeter. Come on, ratchet. Let go. There you go. Make sure my 17 millimeter is locked in. There it is. I don't want it as tight as I had it, as it was. So perfect. I didn't go anywhere. All right, new starter, baby. New starter. Okay, so you get this plugged back in, put it back on, we'll be good. It's coming together, y'all. Hold on, let me use my right hand. So weird. But such a tight fit. Okay. So I wonder if I'm supposed to put one of those on top. Let me see. How many do I have? 2? So I'm gonna put one on top, one on bottom. Yeah. Okay, that's there. Okay, let me get this in here. Is that the right way? Or turn it the other way? It fell. Let's see. Where did it fall? I don't see it. Did it fall? Where'd it fall to? Oh, it's in there. Thought it fell and hit the ground. Okay. This screw trying to give me fits. Let me adjust my camera. Okay, I just needed to adjust my camera so I can have some more room. Probably still hit me. Oh, it did fall, huh? I thought it did. Did it fall behind there? Oh, it did. That's okay. I got the original screw from my original one. Let me see if that one fits. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I got it on. Yep, got it screwed. Sweet. So let me tighten that. Okay, what did I have? 1/2? I believe that's what it was. So I don't know where that other screw fell. Probably fell behind the starter, and I'm not about to take the starter off, so this one fits from the other starter I had. So okay, let me see. Do I want that up there? Okay, I want it more flush, so let me take that off. Then I'm gonna take that washer out of there. So that way it could be flush. It's not enough, it's not down enough for me, so I'll take that washer off that I had on there. Yeah. All right, let me take this washer off. Okay, there it is. All right, that fell behind the starter too, so I've got a screw and a washer back there. Or I got two washers back there actually, so it's all good though. Let me put this on here and then I'll be about my business. Okay. Once it gets tight, then I'll be able to ratchet it out. There you go. Cool. Yeah, that's more flush than it was when I had the cool. That'll work. Put that back on. Don't want to stay on what the problem is. Okay, there you go. Let me see. I guess if I wanted to, I could put that back in there. Let me see. So that's what that space is for. Do I want to put that back in there? Some other one was missing. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So I got that on there. Okay, that's not moving anywhere now. And just plug this back in. Boom. All right, starter is in. Okay, DIYers. Gotten quite a bit accomplished today. Let me see what's next.